Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make eggless tiramisu at home. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need crisp ladyfingers, freshly brewed strong coffee, and a hint of your favorite liqueur for that classic flavor. For the creamy layer, we'll create a delicious mascarpone alternative, which can be dairy or plant-based. Remember to have all your ingredients at room temperature. This helps achieve a perfectly smooth and consistent mixture. Now let's create the star of our tiramisu, the rich, eggless cream. Begin by whipping heavy cream until it forms beautiful, stiff peaks that stand tall. In a separate bowl, combine your mascarpone alternative with a touch of sweetener and vanilla extract. Carefully fold the whipped cream into the mascarpone mixture. Be gentle and avoid overmixing. We want to keep that delightful, airy texture intact for a truly luxurious dessert. Assembling your tiramisu is where the magic happens. Start by quickly dipping each ladyfinger into your strong coffee mixture. Be swift. We want them moist, not soggy. Arrange a single, neat layer of these coffee-soaked ladyfingers at the bottom of your serving dish. Then spread a generous, even layer of your delicious eggless cream over the ladyfingers. Repeat these layers until your dish is full, ending with a cream layer. The final, crucial step is chilling. Cover your tiramisu and refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours, though overnight is even better for flavors to meld perfectly. Just before serving, dust the top generously with unsweetened cocoa powder for that classic, elegant finish. This dessert is truly a crowd pleaser. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on financial wisdom, check out the description below. Enjoy your homemade eggless tiramisu.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.